So in this video, I have this Olympiad mathematics. So here we have x raised to power x raised to power 4 is equal to what? 64. Now the first thing we need to do is to look for how we can, eliminate this power and make both terms on this left and right side to be equal. So the first thing we need to do is to take the fourth power of both sides, all right? Because this one is x raised to power 4. So if we take the fourth power of both sides, we're going to be having x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 4. Then everything raised to the power of 4 will now give us what? 64. Then raised to the power of 4. Okay, so if you look at what we have here, this power actually belongs to this x, so it will affect the power of x. For example, from the law of indices, if you have what, x raised to power m, then raised to the power of what? N. Did I say n? Let's put m here. M, it will give you what? X raised to power what? Mn or nm, as the case may be. So what we now have here, we can write it as what? X raised to the power of what? Now x raised to the power of 4 times 4, that will give us what? 4x raised to the power of 4 will now be equal to what? 64 raised to the power of 4. All right, now there's something I want to do that will make this particular expression to make sense. For instance, if I have what? X raised to power what? 2x, I can write it as what? X raised to power x, then raised to the power of 2, because x times 2 is 2x, 2 times x is 2x. So what we have here, we can actually write it as what? X raised to the power of 4, right? Then everything raised to the power, then we have x raised to the power of 4. So what we do is we bring this 4, the power that we actually use, we bring it in, then we have x raised to the power 4 here. Then we still have what? 64 raised to the power of 4. Okay, so now I think we are getting to the final answer. Now for this right hand side, we still repeat this. There's nothing more to do about this. So this one will still follow as x raised to power 4, then raised to power what? X raised to power 4, right? Will now be equal to, now 64 is a perfect square, so we can write it as 8 then raised to the power of 2, right? Then everything raised to the power of 4. How do I mean? 8 square will give us what? 64. So we can multiply this power. So we have what? X raised to the power of 4, then raised to power what? X raised to power 4 will give us what? 2 times 4, just like what I did here. 2 times 4, that would be 8. So that will give us 8 raised to the power of what? 8. Now looking at these two terms, the base and the base, they are the same. The power and the power are the same. So this implies that what? X raised to the power of 4 is equal to what? 8. But let me make something clear. Whenever you have an even power, the solution will have two roots, which could either be positive or negative. So this implies that we can say that what? X will now be equal to what? Plus or minus what? 4th root of what? 8. What am I trying to say? You take the 4th root of both sides to eliminate, so it will have two, real solution. I want to believe that someone has gotten this solution clearly. So if this video has helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.